Hi Darkroom booth users, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to take your sample video template and turn it into a slow motion event. And then we'll also go to darkroomtemplates.com and see what we have available to download for free to help you get started with slow motion videos. Okay, so first thing we'll do is go ahead and duplicate this event. And we'll rename it. Slow-mo video event, and we can take off the one too. The next thing we're going to do is go into our, we can actually leave the screen template the same. We can go to our camera setting, and this is the main thing that we want to make sure is changed, the playback speed. We're going to set the playback frame rate to 10x, and depending on the frame rate of your camera, you might be able to get away with some slower motion, or you might want to speed it up just for time, and that's a preference, but this is our recommended setting. And then on the screen template, what we're going to do is click edit and make sure we can see the playback. And really I would just check this for the screen template for video or slow motion video. And you can either apply it here, or you can apply the same setting to your record button. Enable video playback. You only have to do it once though. So we'll go ahead and click save, and it's going to give you this message. That's just because I don't have that font installed. That's okay. We didn't make any changes to the font, so it should still work. And when we click start booth, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my digital SLR right over here, and live view should come on, and we will click record and do a fun little dance. I might hit stop. Another thing I forgot to mention is slow motion. You really want to control how long these videos are, because whenever you multiply them by 10, they can actually get pretty long real quick. So there's a playback, and we'll go ahead and close it and skip it. So in your timing, you have maximum video. I would typically set it to maybe 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 4 seconds, something like that. Remember, if you choose 4 seconds, the video is actually going to be 40 seconds long. So maybe 2 seconds is probably a little bit better, and that'll be a 20-second long video. So, and then we'll talk about the sharing options. We can go ahead and click on output. These are going to be just a little bit too large for sharing with photo to phone, so that's not a good candidate. I would choose photo email 1 as a sharing option. Another couple things that we'll talk about real quick is make sure that you have FFmpeg installed. You can download it from our website. This is support and then downloads under PhotoBooth software. There's a utility that it's free. You just have to, it has to be installed in order for video conversion to happen. The other thing that if we go to our operating system, you'll see that Windows 7 is really not recommended for video. Some of the features won't work. So if you're on Windows 7, we would suggest updating and really going to Windows 10. That's what we're testing on, so that's a good idea. Okay, and then the other thing I wanted to talk about was Darkroom templates. We'll go ahead and move this over. So if we click on free templates, you can scroll through these, or we could have also just typed in slow motion, but somewhere in here is a screen template with the event settings already pre-configured that you can download and install, along with a whole bunch of other screen templates with the event settings, or what we call booth themes, that you can install to help you learn new features. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching.